Today, thousands of Kaiser Permanente workers are planning a protest in Oakland just weeks before the planned nationwide protest next month. KPIX 5 reporter Emily Turner is live in Oakland this morning with more. Emily?
Yeah, Michelle, it's Labor Day Monday, but rather than go to work, instead, thousands of those employees will not be walking through those doors this morning. Instead, they will be protesting. That's set to happen from 10 until 2 today, but in fact, we've already seen folks showing up. But this protest, in other words, is in order to avoid a bigger, more far-reaching work stoppage. Now, we have video from a previous strike. The future strike will likely look much like this one. Today's, though, is a show of force in an attempt to, as the unions say, urge the healthcare giant to abandon unfair labor practices and a shift from prioritizing patients in the community instead to profits and enriching top executives. So in order to avoid the massive walkout they have planned in November, the unions instead want the company to come to the bargaining table to meet their 4 demands. They are: number 1, they want to restore a true worker management partnership; 2, ensure safe staffing and compassionate use of technology; to build the workforce to deal with major projected shortages of licensed and accredited staff; and then finally, to protect middle-class jobs with wages and benefits that can support families. Of course, Kaiser understands all this. They reached out to us with the Permanente has contracts with 60 unions, and we remain committed to working together for those who rely on us to provide high-quality, affordable health care and to keep our organization a great place to work. We offer highly competitive salaries as well as wages, while also making health care more accessible and more affordable. Now, if today doesn't work, if both parties don't return to the negotiating table, that strike is set to happen at the beginning of October. That's going to affect about 80,000 workers nationwide, about 60,000 in California alone, making it the biggest strike since the UPS strike in 1997. And so workers and likely Kaiser Permanente both hope they will be able to come to some resolution. Of course, we'll be here this morning for that rally starting at 10. Reporting live in Oakland, Emily Turner, KPIX 5.